Crafted by Carbon is a promise. It's a promise to humbly pursue perfection, to make the unmakeable, to rethink what's possible, to deliver products that change lives. Crafted by Carbon is a promise to revolutionize care. This promise is realized when craftsmanship intersects with science and technology, when hardware, software, and materials are paired with a relentless determination to break the mold and create what patients need. The best fit, the best function, the best finish, and smiles all around. Crafted by Carbon is a promise of innovation, a promise to craft what the world truly needs. A future fabricated with light. Can you make that promise?